Okay, so I'll send you the pictures of it, but I wanted to give you a video just so that you could see what I was talking about. If it's makes it a little bit easier to understand. It's really hard to see this scratch here with the reflection. But like if I put the phone in front of it and get close to it, maybe it'll. It's like right there in comparison to the rest of the mirror. It's hard to see it. Oh, focused a little bit. There you go. So it's like barely anything, but it is there. There's no scratches or anything on the screen, which you can't tell because of the reflection. Seat, no scratches or anything on it. No real blemishes. Nothing that can't be wiped off. The wheel I was talking about is just right here, and I may have done this whenever I was trying to put it on the side stand or something, or the rear stand, but yeah, it's just little scratches on the wheel right there. I don't see anywhere else. And then scratch on the frame. Whenever I first saw it, it's like, oh man, that's a huge scratch, but in comparison, it's not much, but still, it's on the polished part of the frame. And I think that was maybe when done by the dealership, but whenever they did the work on it. But I think there's a little bit there right there too, so there's that. Focus. But yeah, exhaust might have some like watermarks or something on it. I think they had it for like 3 months because of the shutdown. I gave it to them like the beginning of March, and the parts that they needed to come from Italy. Italy shut down, and hence I had to wait like 3 or 4 months to get the bike back. And that was this year. That was the beginning of 2020. Now I'm searching for flaws, but I can't find any. Original levers, never been dropped. See, there's no damage on the sides. I mean, it's hard to see. You got to see it in person. Against the shiny black paint, it's hard to show if there's any scratches or not. Focus on the lever. I mean, you can see it's never been down. The pegs are all good and everything. There's a little bit of grease on it. I used white grease previously, and that was a mistake. It gets everywhere, and it is a butt to get off. Never use white lithium grease. I cleaned most of it off. But yeah, it's a used motorcycle, but it's barely used. But with anything you buy brand new, you roll it off the showroom floor and it's going to get a scratch as soon as you do that. So that's the bike. That's the bike.